Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra leak reveals potential display and camera upgrades. Samsung is working on its next generation Ultra smartphone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra model. This news comes after the successful unveiling of the Galaxy S24 Ultra earlier this year. The new model is expected to hit the market in early 2025. Despite being several months away from launch, numerous leaks have already started hinting at its potential features and specifications. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. So here's what to expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra model. Let's talk about display enhancements, bigger screen and improved brightness. According to a report from Tom's Guide, the Galaxy S25 Ultra may feature a larger 6.9 inches display. This would be an upgrade from the previous models, which boast a 6.8 inches screen. Additionally, there are rumors of improvements in device brightness levels. For comparison, the current model, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, offers 26 nits of peak brightness. Let's talk about camera resolution, potential camera upgrades. While specific details about the camera specifications for the Galaxy S25 Ultra are still under wraps, there are whispers of the significant upgrades. The smartphone is rumored to feature a 50 megapixel ultra-wide snapper, up from 12 megapixel on existing models. This would mark a substantial improvement in Samsung's camera technology, further enhancing the device photography capabilities for ultra-wide shots. Let's talk about hardware, expected performance and battery specs. Traditionally, Samsung's Ultra models have been powered by top-tier Snapdragon processors. Predictions suggested that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will utilize the Qualcomm upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. This upgrade could significantly enhance both performance and artificial intelligence AI capabilities. As for the battery capacity, it is expected to remain consistent with its predecessor at 5000 mAh battery with fast battery charging speed, although further details are yet to be disclosed. Let's talk about operating system updates, a more improved software experience. While it's unclear what specific software updates Samsung has planned for its next generation One UI, Google's ongoing work on Android 15 operating system may provide some insight into the future features, as the official unveiling of the smartphone is set for the next year. More leaks and expert predictions are expected to shed further light on the device potential capabilities and enhancements. It is expected that the new Galaxy S25 Ultra line will officially launch early next year. That's it for now. For our more tech news videos, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned.